You want to sit in my lap?
Yes.
Okay. You got to sit in my lap, though.
No.
No, we're going to read this book. Okay, thank you. We're just going to read a book. I'm going to put them right here. Oh, you want to sit next to me? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so this one is called Bug in a Rug. So what is that a picture of? A what? It is an ant. You're right. Actually, it is an ant. But it's a bug. And he has a mug. And what is he trying to do? Night. Yeah. Is he happy or sad?
Sad.
Yeah. He's not sad. He's what?
Happy.
Okay. All right. Do you want to help me turn the pages? What does that say? Bug.
No.
Rug.
What?
Oh my goodness. He has 1, 2, 3, 4 arms. All right. Let's see what's going on with him. Okay. I need my sleep tonight, says Bug. Ooh, is he looking outside? What does he see outside?
No.
No, what does he see? He sees the...
Mine.
And the...
Time.
How many stars? 3 stars. Good.
Mom.
Oh, yeah, there's a moon. Tomorrow I start work for Slug. He's going to go to work tomorrow. Okay. Bug glugs hot chocolate from a mug. Where's the hot chocolate? Do you think he's thirsty? When you get thirsty, what do you like to drink? Smoothie. Yeah. And then snuggles up inside his rug. Bug, rug. Say bug, rug, mug. Yeah. Bug hugs his bear. Where's his bear? Do you have a bear?
No.
You have Mommy to hug. Okay. He starts to nap. Good night, Bug. Then he hears barking. Look at his face. What happened? He's like, oh no. What is he doing now?
Mine.
He's like, oh, he's mad. Yes, he's mad. What's that?
Mine.
He's mad too. It's a dog, right? Dog is, he's running. Is he running?
No.
That's a what? That's a cat.
No.
Is he mad at the cat?
Yeah.
So what does the dog say?
Mine.
Yap, yap,
Yeah.
yap. Loud party music shakes the walls. Here's the wall, and it's going boom, 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 boom. What are they doing?
Up.
They're up. Rather, they're jumping up. Jump, jump, jump. And they're dancing. Are they dancing? Is he happy or mad?
Mine.
Does he like them dancing?
No.
Why not?
No.
It's loud, right?
Yeah.
Is music loud sometimes? Can you sleep when it's loud?
Yes.
You can probably, but can he sleep when it's loud?
Yes.
I don't think so. Look, he's mad. He can't go to sleep. So below a... What's that word? You know that word. What? You're excited. He's mad. But what does that say? Look at that word. What's that? You know that word. Huh? Below a... What is that? Baby. Yeah, baby starts to bawl. He's crying. Oh no. Can he sleep when the baby cries? Is he going to be tired?
Stop it.
Uh-huh.
Mama, stop it.
He's like, stop it.
No.
Oh, is the baby happy?
Yes.
I don't know. The baby's crying a lot.
Oh.
I don't know if he's happy. Bug plugs his ears. Do you know how to plug your ears?
Yes.
How do you do it?
Me.
Show me.
Mom.
Do you want me to do it? I'm going to cover my ears. Can you do it? Bug plugs his ears, but all too soon, Owl is hooting at the...
Owl.
The owl is hooting at the... Moon. Twit, twoo.
Ooh. Ooh.
Right, that's actually what an owl says. But this says twit, twoo. I don't know. Twit, twoo. Can you do that?
Owl.
Owl. All right.
Ooh.
A car alarm adds to the row. Parp, beep, parp. I can't sleep now. Okay, look. Are other people awake?
No.
Look, he's awake. He's another bug. What is their house made out of?
Uh-oh.
What is this?
Hush.
It's a
How?
tree. It's a bug tree.
Oh.
Yeah, they have a door. They even have a light on their door. That's pretty nifty for a bug house. Yeah. I will not be finishing the book for those of you who don't want any spoilers. However, I did want to point out or recap or give you some more information on some of the things that you've seen here. So this was actually our first read through the book. She has never seen it before. She has never heard me read it before. It was our first read through. So there was a lot of engagement on her part. Now the plan that has happened since the recording of this video is that we have reread this book every single day for the last 3 weeks. We've looked at some of these rhyming words like bug and mug and snug and slug and written them out on cards, flashcards. We've done it on the whiteboard. We've spelled, or actually I've written like the UG out and had her put the letter in Play-Doh in front of the UG, depending upon if it's an M or an S or an R, whatever I request of her. And we just kind of played games, did some fun activities with it. So the plan is at the end of the 3rd week, which is coming up for us in real time, she is going to have that book whenever she wants to read through it on her own. And of course, we'll come back and visit her, but we will restart a new book. I think we're going to do Cow Takes Bow. We'll do the OW words. As you watched me read this to her, we didn't just focus on the words. We didn't focus on the phonics or the sight reading only, but we did look at some of the comprehension. There's also a balance of not overworking her or asking too hard of questions, but also not boring her to death. I'm keeping her engaged. I'm kind of feeling her out based on her response to my questions and how she's looking at the book. I also do a lot of pointing, of course, asking a lot of questions. Every single word, by the way, that I read, I try my best to point to it. So let me know if there's anything else that you found in this video that was very helpful down in the comment section down below. And over here, I'm going to go ahead and put 2 videos. This one's a really fun one that I did a long time ago with Naomi that people still really enjoy watching because she is just, she's got a big personality. And here's another video that will kind of help with those of you that are helping your child learn how to read at a young age with unique abilities. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.